NTK proudly introduces new Coolant through tool holders called Splash Series for Swiss-style lathes. NTK Splash Series has a wide range of products for most of all tooling for gang stations, including Y-axis tool holders and ID toolings. Key advantages of Coolant through tool holders are: number 1, better chip control and evacuation. Number 2, keeping the insert edge cool and providing longer tool life. Number 3, less insert wear, better surface finishes, and improved part tolerance. NTK Splash Series covers most of all Swiss turning applications, including NTK's unique Y-axis tool holders. Y-axis tool holder equipped with Coolant through technology is a perfect solution for chip control. NTK's Splash Series are uniquely designed for each application. Coolant is directed to the cutting edge from both top and bottom side of the insert. Coolant from the top helps chip control. Coolant from the bottom prevents insert wear and provides stable part tolerances. In grooving applications, Coolant helps make small curled chips, eliminates chips from sidewalls and the bottom of the groove. Stick Duo Splash for small ID turning comes with 2 coolant outlets for both through and blind hole operations. High pressure coolant prevents chip packing in the blind hole. Stick Duo Splash is also equipped with insert overhang adjustment. NTK's two-way coolant outlet design provides the best chip evacuation for both blind hole and through-hole applications. For through-hole applications, coolant is focused on the cutting edge to flush chips forward. Blind hole chip evacuation becomes easier with NTK's Stick Duo Splash. Ideal direction of coolant maximizes chip evacuation capability. Blind holes are packed with chips when using external coolant supply. The result of Stick Duo Splash is no chip packing thanks to its unique positioning of its coolant outlet. NTK Stick Duo Splash can accommodate 6 different styles of insert bars: ID turning, ID back turning, ID grooving, and ID threading. Sharper Duo can also be used with Stick Duo Splash sleeves.